So hello everyone. Today I am at The Cirque restaurant in Hotel Leela Palace in the heart of Delhi, where I have put together a wonderful wine dinner for the members of my club called as Winelets India. And one of the wines being served today is called as Pascal Jolivet Sancerre Blanc, where Pascal Jolivet is the name of the wine house as also the name of its founder. And Sancerre Blanc implies that it is a Sauvignon Blanc wine made in Sancerre appellation in central France. Now Sancerre is also the place where Sauvignon Blanc gives its finest expression, and Sancerre is located about 200 kilometers south of the city of Paris on the left bank of Loire River. Now very interestingly, this entire area of Sancerre was one beneath the ocean, and about 150 million years ago, when the ocean receded, it left behind a landscape full of rich marine minerals. And as the time passed, this land evolved into Sancerre as we know it today, which is primarily consisting of three soil types. In the western part of Sancerre appellation, we have got something known as terre blanches, which means white earth. And here the soil is a mix of limestone and clay, which adds a lot of power, a lot of density and structure to a wine. Coming to the central part of the appellation, the soil is mainly limestone, and limestone, as we know, it adds finesse and aromatics to a wine. And coming to the eastern part of the appellation, the soil here is known as silex or flint, and this adds the gunflint note to any wine, which are typical to this part of the Sancerre region. Now the wine which we want to serve today in our wine dinner is the flagship wine of Sancerre of Pascal Jolivet, and grapes for making it are sourced from vineyards spread all across the Sancerre appellation, covering all the three soil types which I just spoke about. And this on one hand adds a lot of complexity to the wine, and at the same time it enables the wine to represent the entire Sancerre appellation in a better way, and that's what a flagship wine should be all about. Now in his own words, Pascal Jolivet talks about his philosophy of winemaking as one which involves minimal intervention, and where the terroir is allowed to speak for itself in the glass. He practices organic viticulture with minimum use of sulfur, and all these things go into making this wonderful wine which we're going to serve in our wine dinner tonight. So I'll be talking more about this wine in times to come. As of now, it's cheers.